As you probably know, our Happy Mail boxes start off with a pretty encore textured cardstock palette, and that inspires the rest of the box. So we choose a beautiful color palette, and then we choose coordinating specialty papers to go with it. So this month, our encore color palette is tea green, hot chocolate, golden amber, California poppy, and whisper blue. Beautiful fall, early fall color palette. And then for specialty papers, we have Encore. This is a shimmer cardstock. It's textured pearlescent cardstock. The color on this is Morning Tide. We have a sheet of Lesabo colors. The color on this is Cherry. This is a super smooth cardstock. We have a sheet of our Glitter Luxe cardstock. The color on this is Christmas Red. We have a sheet of our matte red foil. This is Ornament Red. We have a sheet of Basil Trend. The plaid pattern is printed right on the smooth cardstock. This is Basil Wax Lips. We have a sheet of Encore matte foil in Gold Matte. We have another sheet of Encore Shimmer. This is Gold Sand. It's that beautiful pearlescent textured. We have a sheet of Echo Park Wood Grain. This is Warm Wood. I love this paper. It's so pretty. It's wood grain on one side.